So the Cote de Tablas is our chance to lead with Grenache. So Grenache is kind of the classic grape of the Southern Rhône. It accounts for something like 60% of the acreage in the Southern Rhône Valley. And you can understand why. It's a grape which is juicy. It's got good acids to balance that juiciness. It shows off herbs and spice in a really nice way. If it has a weakness, it's that it can be a little simple on its own. It's not very dark in color.
Yep.
And so the classic blending partner for Grenache is Syrah. It's a dark, savory, spicy, tannic, but usually not very friendly. So you can think of Grenache as providing friendliness for Syrah, and Syrah as providing seriousness for Grenache. So the Cote de Tablas is always led by Grenache, with Syrah as the number 2. And then smaller amounts of Counoise, which has great acidity and just brings everything into focus, and Mourvèdre for this little bit of wild, earthy darkness. The thing that I like about Rhône blends in general is that they're not only one thing. It's not a wine which is one-dimensional at all. It's a wine that has fruit, and it has earth, and it has spice, and it has meat, and it has herbs, and flowers.
You can keep digging.
You can keep digging. Makes you want to keep coming back for a second sip.
Even in a climate as warm as here, this feels fresh.
People often pay more attention to how hot the days get in Paso Robles than they do to how cold the nights are. And the fact that you can pick the same grapes at the same sugar levels that you get in the Rhône Valley with higher acids in Paso Robles because the nights are so cold.
Well, thank you so much for taking us on this tour.
You are welcome.
Absolutely. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh,